Hello everyone and Happy New Year. I hope this year brings you loads of happiness. I've recently fallen in love with the Jaclyn Morphe palette and wanted to film a swatching video. In the first half of this video I attempt to do letter swatches, and then later on I do one swipe swatches. A bit of a disclaimer that you all probably know already, finger swatches don't always represent how the shadows will apply on your eyelids, but I love doing finger swatches to see the colour selection. To get a better representation of the formula of this palette, I'm going to film a swatches video applying the individual shadows to my eyelids. Quick review of this palette is that I love everything about it. The colour selection is really great and the foiled metallic shades are perfection. You will notice some of the matte shadows appear to be patchy in my swatches, however I haven't found this to be an issue when applying the shadows directly to my eyelids. They blend really nicely. I have the original packaging of this palette and I really like that Morphe and Jaclyn listened to the customer feedback about the packaging and have updated it accordingly. I've linked down below the 2 eyeshadow looks I have already created using this palette if you're interested in checking them out. Make sure to comment down below which shades are your favourite and what look I should try out next. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to hang out some more, and I wish you all the best day ahead, and thanks for watching my video today. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the swatching.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let